Asari Dokubo don't come outside again o come expose him right hand friend wey be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nigeria army. He don read o. You see this one, e no go end today tomorrow. As e be like this now, they say that Asari Dokubo don open file nyash and they don see wetin dey inside o. He say na Nigeria army na dem dey go do bunkering, na dem dey send people go, say no be the youth of those villages, so no mind them wetin dem dey talk. He say even Tinubu know about this. Hey, don't read though. I will play the video, may you watch. Omo, e get another ogbonge news where we get for our hand today. They say wetin pastors they do for inside the Igbo now, no be small thing. No, I will play the video, may you see. Don't forget, say you still there for Pump Info News and they share as they watch. Let's hear wetin Asari Dokubo talk.
They should go and ask him, he's not dead. The president that they talk about, when they talk to president, since they don't want, make we keep secret. The press conference, now president tell me to go talk to press.
Asawana.
He don't tell me to talk anything, but he say, talk to the press. Now I talk to the press. I talk to the press. If they ask me the root cause of bunkering for you, I don't know if he talk. The people where they do the bunkering, I don't know if he call them.
Why not?
So make I go there and say, na Ijaw boys they do bunkering, na Ikore boys they do bunkering, no Goni boys they do bunkering. Now lie, don't be Ijaw boys they do bunkering. All the fire depot there. Now people wait there for army. Now they pay them, make them go to the thing. They collect their home, they give the people peanuts. Everybody knows it. Because we are afraid. Because people are afraid, say they go do cool. You do cool.
As you use the other hand, they pursue your brothers. That's what they go use the other hand though. They cook for you. Just small cook. Where they cook for you, use a helicopter, fly around your house. Finish oh. You don't finish. Now outside the work on the paros is that day. I'm going to bring this video up for you. Maybe we'll jump inside the Igbo Mo know wetin they go on for inside that place. So they say as it be like this now, they say the fake pastors where they on ground, see wetin they do, they deceive our people. Watch this video from beginning to end. You understand wetin they happen for inside Igbo.
Arrange miracle. And this one whose eye is like high past 4 is the person that organizes and employs all these people. Why this one keeps record of everybody that is brought there and how much they are paid. Where is that their book? It's here. So you people help to deceive people, and the people will be going to the church believing that the people are doing miracle, and then at the end of the day they end up deceiving them. They will pay tithes, and the pastor will be making so much money. Hey, oh my God. Look at there. Eh?
Yesterday.
And how much they are paid? This one they pay more. Oh my God.
Yesterday, Tuesday, Tata Kawaja.
Christmas. And this is how you see all this miracle in churches. Miracle. Okay. Miracles. These are the people that help to deceive people that their prayers have been answered. And people will be rushing to the church. You secretary, is this your book? Is this your book? This is your writing. You are the one that records all these people names. It's your job to pay them when they have gone to deceive people. Eh? Okay, but you are the one that records the.
Yeah, that is the person. He's like
yeah, what is your own work? Yeah.
My name is Promise.
Eh?
My name is Promise.
Promise what?
Promise Nana.
Eh? From where?
For Imo State.
Eh?
Imo State.
Where in Imo? I want to know the name of your town. Your people will see you.
Okay.
So that they know what you do. When you tell them you are going for Oluoyibo, you end up in Umpo. And then you'll be going from church to church, deceiving people, doing a false miracle. then the church will be growing. People will be paying money to pastor. Which one did you do?
At some work where they work.
The same work. Which one did you do? You did not tell me the name.
Manifest.
What is the name of your town?
Mbise.
Where in Imo?
Mbise.
Mbise. Where in Mbise? Mbise has many places. Where in Mbise?
Lodge.
Eh?
Lodge, Obala.
Obuala.
Obala.
Obuala.
Yes, sir.
Where in Obuala? Obuala is a big town.
Obala Junction, Mbise.
Mbise people see your picking though. Now, boy, you go do miracle.
My name is Séchérets from Cross River State.
Yes. Where in Cross River?
Okoja, Africa 1.
Eke 1.
Africa 1.
Africa 1.
Yes. I just came back today. I'm living in Agbo. I came back today. After I came back, so I was friending one boy in that place at Ogina side. So I went to collect my batteries. Then teach me.
Are you not part of these people?
I'm coming.
Don't tell me too many stories. I don't want too many stories.
So they now tell me that there is work. I should come and join them. So
Yeah.
I went to One Touch. I don't know the name of the pastor, but they used to call him One Touch. So when I went there, the man did not tell me that I am married 3 men at once. I say yes, that is the only work that I do.
And they paid you money.
It's only 3,000, sir.
You too, uncle?
My name is David Alex.
What did you do? David from where?
I'm from Cross River State.
Where in Cross River?
Atabon in
Eh?
Atabon in Koja.
Yes.
So I doing the same work based on I don't get what to do.
Yeah.
So they went there. If they give prophecy, I claim it. So later we go back.
You go back and you give testimony.
So
That the testimony has worked.
Yeah. So they give me they pay me 3,000 naira.
Oh, sorry for all of you. Sorry.
Instead of our people go find one better work or anything they do at all. Did you think that China begin in they just wake up one morning and become what they are today? No, we are known for creative people, the people, innovation people that can bring something to life. That is what we know for. I don't know where this everybody want to be a pastor is coming from in Igbo. Everybody want to be a native doctor. I don't know where all this idea is coming from. Some forget how to do even ordinary basket. Our fathers used to do in those days. Now it's a big money. Doing basket and exporting it and selling it will give you a big money instead of wasting your time on things that are going to bring you in the world for the world to see how criminality you are. Is not our culture. I'm keep on saying it. So for those of you who are putting hands in this criminal act or wherever you come from, please remove your hand inside. Go and look something to do. Look for a work to do. That thing will feed you. It will give you what you want. Remember that if you are selling one basket for 1,000 and you can be able to make 500 pieces, remember you have already made 500,000. Oh, if you can make 1 million pieces, you have already made 1 million. So tell me why you cannot infuse yourself in something that you will do to make money instead of all those nonsense, faking, deceiving people, putting problems in families. All this nonsense need to stop. Please share this video so that other people will know what they go on. Abeg may you not forget to follow us all our social media handles. Don't forget to stay there for pop info news.